thought I would give a little tour of my kitchen, and it's really cloudy out today, so the lighting is not the best. This is my hutch. I actually got it for free off Facebook Marketplace, and I painted it, and I put the contact paper that you can see in the back there. I got that from Dollar Tree. So it's just Dollar Tree contact paper, and I chalk painted it white. And I actually did the drawers also with the contact paper, lined them and did the sides. This is my hutch, and I love decorating my hutches. Those are one of my favorite things to decorate for every holiday. And we live in a 1972 ranch house that is in the process of getting remodeled. This is my kids and my coffee station slash hot cocoa station. So we have their hot cocoa there. This is filled with marshmallows. That's filled with K-cups, chocolate chips. And then this right here is filled normally. It's not really filled right now, but it's normally filled with a bunch of snacks that my kids can get anytime that they want. It keeps them from asking me because I have a lot of little ones. And then they have sprinkles. There's normally like syrups and stuff up there. I think there's only one left. I think they tucked it back here yet. We got one tucked back in here. And this basket's normally filled with fruit, but somebody stuck marshmallows in it. There's all my coffee mugs. And we freshened up this kitchen when we moved in. We do plan on doing an entire kitchen remodel. The countertop and the backsplash was a yellowish color. I painted the countertops, and then this backsplash is just contact paper from Walmart. And then I painted the cabinets also, and I distressed them. And I did seal them, and they have held up perfectly. We put new hardware, new hinges. But we're going to gut the kitchen and get all new stuff. But we are currently working on the outside of the house, putting new siding and working on the outside. So that is priority right now. We're getting the outside done. We have painted every room in this house though. Every room has gotten painted. All of the flooring is done. There's my cat. One of my cats. His name is Toothless. Hi, Dan. This coffee pot is always on our stove. My husband will only drink coffee like this, and we keep it in the thermoses for him to pour. And then we are also, don't mind the mess, in the process of redoing this area. This is kind of a cool, it's a catch-all cubby that I keep my bigger appliances in. My husband is going to make me either two doors that look like shutters or a sliding barn door. I have not decided which I want, because if I do a sliding barn door, Then I can't have anything hanging on either side of it. So I will probably go with the 2 doors that look like shutters. And then we just painted that den in there. And we are working on making this area into kind of like a coat area. These doors were not here. We just put these doors in. As you can see, there's no trim around it. So those doors just got put in. So this is where we come in and leave the house. So we're gonna turn this into like a hall tree area with a bench. We're using like a bookshelf right now for shoes. And then my kids have these hooks here. And there's a little peek into my laundry room, which is also being worked on. We just put those windows in. That's why there's no sill or anything, and that's why there's all of this stuff, because we're in the process of doing lots and lots of renovations. And that is not wallpaper, that is also contact paper, and that has been up for 9 months. I stuck it on the wall and it has stayed perfectly. I just tried it for fun and it stayed. So if you ever just want something quick to put on your wall to change it out, contact paper, it peels right off when you're done, and it holds up really, really well. So that is my kitchen.